Hello, friend. Welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about the percentage question. We have another quiz here in which we have to find out if a shirt is at $20 and now it's on sale, which is 25% off. So how much you have to pay for the shirt after the discount? So we will find out like how we can solve these type of question. Before starting the video, please subscribe our channel and like and share with others so that they can learn these type of questions and solve very easily and give the quick review their maths. Okay, now we will start the question. Quiz is basically shirt cost is $20. Now we have the 25%. So first we will make the data. We will make the data like solution. First, we will make the data. Shirt cost equals to $20. Now we have the discount. Discount is 25% off, right? So now we have to find how much we have to pay. So how much we have to pay? Yeah, you will pay. Okay. Now, first we will find out the now we have to find first like what is the 20% or 25% of $20. So here we have 20 and off is 25%. So now we will like 20 multiplied by 25, and because of the percent sign we will change is 100 here. So here we have 20, 0 is cancelled from this one. This one, and now we have 25 upon 10, which is equals to 50 divided by 10. 10 5s are $5. Now we have to find like what is the cost to total cost of shirt after discount equals to 20 minus 5 is equals to $15, right? So this one is 15. The answer is 15 of this question. I hope you understand like how we can find of the 25% off of a shirt, which is $20. So now we have to pay $15. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and like and share with others.